What is going on, guys? Dippin back. We are here with my 1965 Dodge D500. We are going to be giving it a bath today. This thing definitely needs a good washing, and later on, probably in the next couple of videos, we're going to see if we can buff and polish this paint out and get it nice and shiny. It's a little faded. Might be able to save it, I'm not sure, but today we are going to be giving this thing a wash. We got moss growing on this thing, freaking trash all on the bed, moss growing on the bed, bunch of rust. Hopefully we can get off most of that with the pressure washer and some soap. It's looking all that moss under here. But yeah, guys, let's hop right into it. No need to explain what I'm doing, so just go ahead, sit back, grab some popcorn, and enjoy this video.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
So I thought I'd stop and show you guys how much dirt this thing is taking off. You know, this truck didn't have that much dirt, but you can tell pressure washing it, you can tell the difference. Clean and dirty. Clean and dirty. This paint is gonna look shining without all this dirt on there. I took a whole bunch of dirt off the side, off the back, and this paint actually looks really good. Obviously this truck is 55 years old and the paint's obviously gonna look bad, but in some spots it doesn't look bad. You know, this looks like good paint. The back, really good paint. I'm just pressure washing it up right now. In a second we're gonna add some soap to it, but I want to get all the dirt off before I add. Just look at that. Look at the difference. Clean, dirty. It's just insane how that paint changes just because it doesn't have dirt on it. But we're about halfway done with the truck. Still got the hood and the windshield and the other side to do. But let's hop right back into the time lapse and get this baby clean. All right guys, here she is. She's looking good. You guys saw before how much dirt was on there. When I'd pressure wash, you can see it. I'm thinking if I clear this thing, it'll look actually pretty good. It's wet right now and it's like a mirror. The deck looks pretty good, a lot better than it did before. Find out how it looks when it dries. It's all wet right now. It's amazing what, you know, pressure and water can do, and a little bit of soap. I didn't scrub the soap. I just sprayed it on there and sprayed it off. But she's looking good. She's looking a lot better than she did before, a lot brighter, not as dirty as she was before. The wheels definitely need some love. All 6 wheels definitely need some love. And the axle, let me tell you about the axle. There was literally an inch covering the whole axle of grease, oil, dirt. It was, I mean, you can see it all over me. Just spraying, got it all over me. I probably got it on my face right now. Yeah, there it is, guys. That's all I'm gonna do for tonight. We'll probably do the inside another day because I am tired. My back is hurting just from pressure washing this, leaning over. We'll tackle the inside another day. So you can see the inside is definitely a disaster as well. But as of right now, just pressure washing it off and kind of cleaning it up. It makes me happy just seeing it the way it is. It's not all dirty anymore. And she's looking good. Not all mossy. Had a whole bunch of moss on the front grille. A bunch of moss and stuff right here. A bunch of moss on the deck. And now it looks pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on this 1965 Dodge D500. I'm done for the day, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like this video if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you guys are new. Peace. Dippin' Diesel out.